welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and in today's video I'm going to be styling my natural hair. But first, you gotta put some lip gloss on. AllThingsRoseMetics. Check out my website. This is the color Nubian Rose, and it's available on my website. It is a red tinted lip gloss. So yeah, this is me putting on my lip gloss before I start doing my hair. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys the products I use: Blue Magic Shea Butter Pomade and a comb. Basically, that's all I used. So now I'm just going to be, that's not all I use, but you know, just to moisturize my hair. It is freshly washed, so now I'm just unbraiding, detangling, putting the pomade. You may see me do faces. I'm very tender-headed, so yeah, this is why I'm doing the faces. But yeah, enjoy me detangling my hair. I've been watching you. Right, so I did the back after I detangled. I always try to do the back of my hair just so I can come in and show you guys exactly what I did. This is my dad checking to see what I'm doing. My dad, my mom, and my brother always be coming in when I do my hair. I don't know what it is, but they always come in if you see them in my hair videos. But yeah, I did the back. It's basically like a twist. It's kind of crooked, I know. I know, but we're trying to keep it natural, you know, so it's an excuse. But yeah, my hair is also not even. The back is longer than the front, but I don't mind it because when I do high ponytails, like, the back is not like left behind. It is all my hair like looks the same level when I do certain styles, so it was okay for me to keep it like that. This is basically me parting. It's very simple. This hairstyle, it's a 2-strand twist, and then you put some beads at the end. So how I usually do it is I start with a 3-strand and I do it like maybe 3, 4, 5 times, and then I switch to a 2-strand. And these are the products I use. I use the Aunt Jackie's curling gel, and I also use As I Am Cocoa Sheer Whip. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I did. So I forgot to show you guys what beads I used, but I went to Dollar Tree and they had these brown beads, so this is where I got them. I got, I think, 11 bags, and I didn't use all of them. I was scared, so I got all these bags, but you can find it on Amazon for cheaper, y'all. I basically got ripped off by Dollar Tree, kind of. But yeah, I needed the beads now, so I was like, whatever, I guess. So I got 11 bags of them, I believe, or 12. And I used 2 per strand. So yeah. Now that you've seen the fast version, I slowed it down just so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm starting with a 3 strand, and then I'm gonna flip to a 2 strand. I'm gonna flip my hand position and everything to a 2 strand. To do the 2 strand, I think I did it like 5-6 times, and then this is me flipping my hand and I'm just twisting my hair. I don't believe that I had a specific direction where I was twisting, but I just kept twisting to whatever felt right. And then at the end I added the beads with the little bead thingy tool that they use. I have no idea what it's called. So you just put the beads in, and then you put your hair through the loop, and then the beads come out. The beads go in your hair. So I don't really know how it works, but yeah. Boy, I've been watching you. I've been watching you. I put a piece of paper just so you guys can see how my hair looks. I have different texture all over my head, so every single twist came out different. But yeah, this is my hair. I believe the next day or 2 days later, I'm pretty sure it's 2 days later. But yeah, this is how it looked. I did a half up, half down, and I kept it like that for like a week, I believe. I was going back to school, so I kind of wanted to do something quick for RA training, and then do my hair for school afterwards. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I was very, very excited. I felt like Serena Williams, you know, when she was a kid. She used to have all these beads in her hair. So this is me acting like I can play tennis. I don't know what is going on, y'all, but enjoy these little clips of me just playing around. I've been watching you. this is basically it. I'm just styling, seeing what I can do for the week. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to turn on your bell notifications. I'm on my way to 1,000 followers, y'all. Let's see if we can get it. Bye.